Hi, I'm Jay, the kitchen summoner, and welcome to my chronicles. Today, I'll be sharing how to make a Nigerian version of coconut rice. I had earlier shared a Canitarian recipe, but this one contains every goodness. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy, gorgeous dish. So I'll be adding my homemade coconut milk to my pot. I'll be adding some coarsely blended peppers and onions, some crayfish, bouillon cube, some salt, giving that a good stir. I'm going to cover and allow that to boil out. So once that's boiled out like this, stir that up. Your house should be smelling of heaven. Taste that the seasonings are okay, and now you add your dry fish. Give that a good stir. Add your washed rice or parboiled rice, whichever type of rice you're using. Give that a good stir as well. Cover and allow for it to cook until it's dry. And that's it, fam. Your coconut rice is ready. Like literally. It is amazing. It is flavorful. The combination of the crayfish, the dry fish, the coconut milk is so intense. Like, this is so amazing. Nigerian coconut rice is amazing, fam. I cannot lie or deny it. It's even my father's favorite dish though. Anyway, thank you for going on this journey with me, fam. Until next time. Mwah! Ciao.